This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Check macOS version and have the apps you want nearby. First, open System Settings and go to Desktop and Dock. This exposes size, magnification, and position. Once done, open Finder or Launchpad and locate the app icons you'll place. Dragging is faster than menus, so grab an icon and start placing it at the dock edge. This immediate action gets you into the workflow and shows why settings matter for appearance and behavior. Next, you'll add and organize apps. Drag an app from Finder or Launchpad and drop it into the dock where you prefer. You can right-click each icon and choose options, keep in dock or open at login, so your workflow persists. To group, drag folders or create a stack for downloads and place it to the right of the divider. This separates apps from folders. Make sure to resize the dock in settings if items overlap, because spacing affects quick access and visual clarity. Finally, polish your dock. Open Desktop and Dock settings to set size, magnification, and screen position. These choices affect reach and visibility. Test launching and rearranging apps to confirm the layout fits your routine. Once satisfied, right-click Essential Apps and select Keep in Dock so they stay put. If the dock becomes unresponsive or icons vanish, restart it by running Kill All Dock in Terminal. This resets the dock without restarting your Mac. That one troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.